Not struggling because you're incapable. You're feeling stuck because your internal world is unconsciously working against the very outcomes you desire. That's why every step can feel like a battle against an unseen current. But when you learn to reconstruct your thought patterns using a timeless blueprint for achievement, the world around you begins to shift. You find a new kind of focus, a deep-seated confidence, and a powerful, sustained momentum. In the next few moments, I will show you how to apply a proven framework to re-architect your thinking, unlocking profound clarity, drive, and success. 1. It all begins with a decision. Nothing of consequence ever happens without a true decision being made. Not a half-hearted wish or a casual intention, but a clear, definitive commitment. It is that moment when you draw a firm line and declare with every fiber of your being, "This is who I am becoming, and there is no going back." So many people wander through their years not because they lack potential, but because they never